Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you a new tool, or let's say another tool, which you can create 3D characters with AI. And I already created this character here from a photo, from an image I made in the past. Just click on Image to 3D and then choose your image and upload your image. It costs you 1 credit. Now let's go back. I already did this with this character here. And you can download it. I have a preview at first, and it doesn't look so bad now. Only the face is a little bit strange, a little bit wired, but okay. The body looks really good, and also the texture, the colors and the light bouncing effect. I really like it. Okay, good. Now here we can download it. And you can download it as GLB file. And this GLB file we can import to any 3D software like Blender, for example. Start Blender, then we go to File and go to Import. Import GLB. This is our character. And it takes a few seconds and then it is still not perfect, okay? So how it looks with texture. And you can see the quality of the texture is really good. You see all the muscles. Very detailed. But it's only the texture. Now the mesh, it is not so good now. And there is no 3D tool or text to 3D tool at the moment out there that creates really good quality. I always try them out, and I hope one day, and I'm very sure that very soon, there will be one that will create perfect 3D models. But you can edit it in the sculpt mode. You save a lot of time if you create these pre-setted characters in your character modeling workflow. Now let's try something. Let's go back here. Now we go to Text to 3D and we create another one. Here we can choose Auto, Realistic, Cartoon or Low Poly. The model you can choose here. And now let's say we create something from the same family, like Iron Man. Stand pose. Realistic. Generate. And it is really quick to create a character with this tool. Alright, this is our Iron Man character. Yeah, it is not bad. Same thing here, a very good quality of texture. You can remesh. But at the moment with the free version it isn't possible. Now let's make an import and see how it looks without texture. Import GLB. Yes, you can see here. The quality is not so clean. Just basically not detailed. But looks nice with texturing. It is the first time for me I tried this program, and Image AI we can't use now with the free plan. You can see the different plans: one time, $4.95 monthly, 15 generated, added instant access, fast dedicated server. In the most popular, the starter pack, $9.95. FBX OBJ and STL export, and the studio can generate 115 generations monthly. Rigging AI, it is locked, but I think this is also very interesting. 3D Stager. Feature is not live at the moment. This tool could be very interesting in the future. I will definitely have an eye on it, and I don't know how much 3D tools I already showed you. I think it was 3 or 4 now. And I'm really sure we are very close to the next big thing that makes really good quality of 3D models. But these kind of characters you already can use in video games. And if you want to know how, I will show you in one of my next tutorials. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!